143-foot tall monument is located in the distance. From a window in a building, a person determines that the angle of elevation to the top of the monument is 33 degrees and that the angle of depression to the bottom of the monument is 3 degrees. How far is the person from the monument? So the first step I'm going to do here is to illustrate the building. So here is a monument, and the height of the monument is 143 feet. And here is a building that has a window. And from that window, the person determines that the angle of elevation, so I'm going to draw a horizontal line. The angle of elevation to the top of the building is 33 degrees. And the angle of depression to the bottom of the building is 3 degrees. Now, this is not very accurate drawing, but you get the gist hopefully. So now what I would like to do, I'm going to give names to the sites so it's easy for me to identify. So I'm going to name this X, and then I'm going to name this portion of the building Y. And this portion of the building is going to be 143 minus Y. Now, I will look at two specific triangles. The first triangle I'm going to look at is this triangle right here. This is a right triangle. So it is safely can be said that tangent 33 degrees is equal to the opposite over the adjacent, which is 143 minus y over x. I'm going to name this equation number 1. Similarly, from the second triangle, this triangle right here, I can say that tangent 3 degrees, this is 3, not 30, is equal to the opposite over the adjacent. I'm going to name this number 2. Now, from equation number 2, I can solve for the value x. So I can say that x will be equal to y divided by tangent 3 degrees, and I'm going to name number 3. I will put equation number 3 in equation number 1. So that will give me tangent 33 degrees is equal to 143 minus y divided by y over tangent 3 degrees, which will turn into tangent 33 degrees is equal to 143 minus y times tangent 3 divided by y. Now, I can multiply both sides by y to get rid of the denominator. I will end up with y tangent 33 degrees equals 143 minus y times tangent 3 degrees. I will distribute the tangent 3 inside, so I will get y tangent 33 degrees equals tangent 3 degrees minus y tangent 3 degrees. Now, if you notice here, we have this expression is similar to that expression, so we're going to bring it to the same side. So we're going to say y tangent 33 degrees equals, plus y tangent 3 degrees equals 143 times tangent 3 degrees. Now I'm going to bring these y's outside as a common factor. So I will have tangent 33 degrees plus tangent 3 degrees equals 143 times tangent 3 degrees. Now we're going to solve for y. So we're going to say y equals 143 times tangent 3 degrees divided by tangent 33 degrees plus tangent 3 degrees, which is approximately I'm not actually going to round it because this has to be an exact number. So I got 10.67844672. Okay. Now, if you notice here, I got the value y. However, if you look at this expression right here, you will notice that from that expression, I came up with this one, which eventually will give me the value of x, and that is the distance I'm looking for. So x is equal to the y value I got divided by tangent 3. So this is going to be x equals to y, which is 10.67844672 divided by tangent 3 degrees, which is going to give me approximately, if I round that to decimals, it's going to be 203.79 feet. That should be the final answer for my question. So after all of this work, this is how you're going to answer this type of question. If you have any questions regarding any of these steps, please let me know.